Okay, hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. Today I've got a 911 SC. Just doing the bushing for the actual selector. Selector shaft, there's one here inside there. See that black rubber nylon bushing there? That's a new one I fitted. So that one has to come off. We've got a 5mm Allen key. One of these. Short. You can take it off there, or you can take the coupler off the back. Slide this. You can take the coupler off. You can take the coupler off here. The 213s there. And you can slide this forward if you want to, but I just do it at the front, easier. The 5mm short Allen key, L-shaped type. Alright, I've taken that out. I've got a new, that's a brand new bushing there. And that's a brand new bushing there here as well. Alright, look at that. The other one was just flopping around. This is the old one. And there's the tunnel selector shaft bushing as well. So two brand new ones on here. So now I'm going to assemble it and then adjust the coupler at the back to suit the actual gears. It's got the actual Stomsky coupler there. So the hardest thing is just adjustments. But once you get it right, it'll be perfect. Alright. Okay, because the parts arrive late, so new bushing. So alright. If you're wondering what's the part number for the bushings, so let's have a look. There's one part number there. And another part number there. Alright. So I'm not sure which one's for which, but if you're gonna do that one there, you gotta do both anyway. So always get both. All right. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.